was for me about John Brazil, and just from every actors are more asante Muhena and the Bremo. Actors are Ashanti Radio, and said Kumawood and MTECH. Our Asopa, but many opportunity now, we better than you say no. Envelopes in America. Envelopes in America. Now, me and my brother, he have the pass of our.
Some power here.
In Sri Lanka, also need the other passport.
So we have.
And then you be Yaramase, Messama, congratulations. MTECH, Kumawood, Moya, in fact, Mwati, and I am happy to say, and I may buy a number of a series of meetings, and I'm happy I came to meet the meeting. And I will reiterate to say congratulations, because looking at how far the application is growing in terms of patronage, in terms of people who go there to watch your movies. In fact, my idea.
Yes.
We need you to do more. We as actors there, unfortunately, we will only act, relax at home, and then watch you bring the scenes. So, and the more producers, MTECH, my only plea is that Mama relaxes speaker upon speaker akan. So we a producer. That's how the movie about. Nase upload you. It behoves on you as a producer to market it. The Kumawood app is say marketeer. Trust me. You be brain every on can you envelopes kit 12 say. Aka said your car Kasika is and a kayede, Yaba Jeffrey. Near Tosubium, so I said, contents and no, and then me back. Now, my imagine said, the name of Mobaka myself. Me as an actor, meaning say, a Jumabia, me, there are series of checks and balances. Obia or how you have industry player being himself as an actor, me no in my moment of ecstasy, where I am enjoying the acting and the acting has entered me, it is a comfort. So why I get careful, anything will slip out of my tongue. But in Sri Lanka, I said that is why the director is on set. So director also or enjoy his directing. Next, we have the editor to help us out. The behind me say, where are all these people? Nah, you then they'll come because I'm already and go like, I don't know what did you say. But they are not the response and they say, yes, classification board, almost classify your movies. You PG, you 13, you X-rated, and he said, who got to movie, and I say, when the movie classify the PG, then it means the language is okay for Encola to watch. Adeba your viewers and Kumawood lovers, I can say Kumawood lovers, or completely again the content, your language. But the main catcher woman say, yes, I also so take into consideration the rating now, the 2 CDs. Now, I am there. Say, and your producers in one of I've seen a lot of cameramen, I've seen a lot of editors and then bloggers in also editing. Yet almost say, I am there. Say, Sami Kassan, he made mention of the fact that Minyane Infree Kumasi and Sami Medase, Mimi Compacho. Myself, Kwame Dinkrano, and a few of our colleagues, we started a crusade years ago. Say, we will make Kumasi also look like any other region in Ghana. if not one of the best, but it would be or would be better than the so-called Accra. Say yeah, Kasano. Sometimes money and Nantipoto City the job. It is obviously on my journey. Saturday we are all over town. Now we continue. Kumawood movies. That is it. I am straight to Nigeria. Almost 30 crew members. This camera they have the equipment. No more pastors, baby. No more almost started to do social media. And now on the scaffold. What I say? I don't know from Mama and so. Now, more so with the kind. Almost with the children. Not more the kind, no more with the much. A better crap. So we deny it by 2 swap. A bit like I said, I just so cool. Eben, non-fat or non-account. Mfa MBA. So now, Eben, any benefits. Oh, the yes. Oh, if you are already kind of more opportunities are, will you be necessary? Time, cash, nothing. Yeah,